What's up sa inyo mga kaport? Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-play yung bassline ng Itsumo. So, tong kantang to very simple lang yung bassline pero may dating siya. Sumikat to nung high school ako eh. Hindi ko lang alam yung specific year. Basta narinig ko to nung high school ako. So, tara, simulan na natin. Intro muna tayo. So mga ka-apport, gumamit ako ng bass. 5-string bass kasi yung gamit ko, yung Tajima TBM5. Baka naman Tajima. Hindi, so kasi yung Itsumo na yan, medyo simple lang yung bassline niya, pero ano siya, yung madaling matandaan. So ang key niya, una is A flat or G sharp. Ito yan. Bilang ka ng 1, 2, 3, 4. Nga pala, sa 4 string kasi, parang dito siya. Naka 5 string ako naka B yung una niya eh. So, ang gagawin mo muna is move ka. Hanapin mo yung chords or notes na G flat, A flat or G sharp. Tapos G, F, G, A flat. So yan lang yan. Sa buong kanta pa ulit-ulit lang yan. Ang pagtipan niyan parang ganito. Yan. So papakita ko rin sa inyo yung paggamit sa ko. Ito naman yung max mid lang na cheap bass pero magandang klase yung pickup nito. So ito siya. A flat, G, F, mabilis lang sa F, G, A flat. Sa pagtipa niya, dala-dalawa lang. Pag sa gano, sa string ganun lang. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yan. So nakahawak ko kasi yung microphone kaya nahihirapan ako eh. Ito siya, papakita ko sa inyo So, ganun siya. A flat, G, F, G, A flat. So, sa whole song, yun lang yung chords niya. Wala nang iba. Kahit sa, ano niya, yung chorus tsaka first stanza, parehas lang siya. So, yun lang guys. I hope na maintindihan nyo. Sa susunod guys, meron pa ako mga lesson sa bass na i-upload ko para matuto kayo mag-bass. Kasi dito sa Philippines, usually maraming gitarista, konti ang bassist. Yan. So, hopefully magkaroon tayo ng magandang gamit or camera para makapag-record tayo ng mas maganda po. Yan lang po. Maraming po salamat. God bless you.
call me firstborn. You're my first love and my first kiss from up above. And I don't care if you don't give love back, cause in my heart is where your ass is at. I love your eyes, your nose and your tender lips. Wanna kiss your neck, your shoulder to your fingertips. I go crazy when you shake those sexy hips. Baby girl, you're the one I can't resist. You know I loved you from the very start. I don't care if you break my heart. I'm the man and I'm here for you. Believe me, cause my love is true.
Itsumo kokoro e hoshitsuka, dareka to mata koi ni utsite mo. Itsumo kokoro ne hiroite mo, anata dake no basho ga aru.
You wanna get down with K-N-I-N-E. Make sure that's pure L-O-V-E. And never talk about the I-C-E, cause I only got my H-E-A-R-T for Y-O-U. I can't pay the bills for dinner, I'll just give him my I-O-U for sure. I'm not after F-U-C-K, got no B-A-D intentions to wanna play, girl. Maybe we might spot a UFO. Wait, that's not part of the rhyme, just felt like saying so. You gotta know that I love you from the start till F-O-R-E-V-E-R. What?
Itsumo kokoro e hoshitsuka, dareka to mata koi ni utsite mo. Itsumo kokoro ne hiroite mo, anata dake no basho ga aru kara.
Baby girl, be my first lady. Be the mom of my first baby. You didn't like me when you first saw me. I'll be gentle, I'll do it slowly.
Girl, I think it's better if you was with me. I got dough, cause I just want this spelling bee for you. I got all the T-I-M-E. Ask mommies to pass, but I'm not so sure. Just doing my own thing. Shit's more expensive than your fancy gold ring. I don't mean this cause I got to go there. Mommies don't care. All for them ladies, even chicks with nose rings.
Itsumo